Oh, what's up, guys? So that was a lot. What's up, guys? I just washed my hair, so I'm going to hurry up because I have studying to do, actually. But this is the first time I'm doing this, so I just wanted to show you guys. All right. So I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna get right into it. Length check. I'm using my Therapy by J Daily Essential Oil. I mix it with some castor oil. I usually just use castor oil, but I was running out of castor oil and I found this and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this oil. So I just mixed it. Oh, this smells amazing. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, well, I'm about to fix that just now. You guys, I don't know if you saw my last video, but I was telling you guys that my hair has been picking up so much lint lately, and you can, like, now that I'm editing this video, you can really see it. Ugh, it's bothering me. I need to, like, brush it out and hope and pray that some of those things are not, like, stuck in my lock. But I'm pretty sure it's one of my comforters, so I'm going to change them and see what happens. Even when I wash them, it doesn't change, so we'll see. I might just have to change it. But yeah, y'all, oh my gosh, I just saw that lint and I am about to go ballistic. But yeah, so let me talk you through what I'm doing here. So I twisted the hair all the way down at the bottom, and I ended up wrapping the twist to the length that I wanted it to, and I just wrapped it upward and then rubber banded it to secure it. Now I realized later that this is a very redundant and time-consuming way to do lock knots. So at the end of this video, I'm actually gonna, like, come back and show you the way that normal people will do knock knots. And yeah, it's much easier and it takes less rubber bands. So there we go. So they're not even, but whatever. This is how it looks so far. I can feel that they're not even, but it's okay. It's not perfect, but I will be back to just keep showing you guys my progress.